Getting ready to feed. Almost the end of June. We're in a bad drought down here, so we're holding off going to summer pasture till 1st of July. We are getting some rain today though, it's nice. But we're gonna feed every day till 1st of July and turn out and see how long we can stay. Everybody looks good, cows look good. AT, you look good. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. Pretty nice hay. Where aren't we going?
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
We'll give it some gas. Oh, don't throw me off. Don't throw me off. Got a cow out, looks like. Gonna have to go do some gathering in the rain.